Hello everyone, this is Grade 2, Module 8, Lesson 6 homework. Number 1 says, identify each polygon labeled in the tangram as precisely as possible in the space below. So A, I see that we have a four-sided shape. We could call this a quadrilateral, but I think I can get a little more precise with that. That looks more to me like my parallelogram. So let's look at B now. B looks to be right here, and it's 1, 2, 3 sides, 3 angles. So that's going to be my triangle. And C, that's a quadrilateral, but I know I can get more precise or accurate with this one, and I see that all 4 sides look to be the same length. A rectangle means that opposite sides are going to be the same length or equal, but there's a special type of rectangle where all sides are the same length or all sides are equal, and that's my square. So I gave you the basic classification, but then got a little more precise as we went. So down below, we're going to take these pieces, and it says use the square and the 2 smallest triangles of your tangram pieces to make the following polygons. Draw them in the space provided. So I'm going to use my pieces here to kind of help out. And there they are. So I'll move down, and I need to make a triangle with 1 square corner. So I need to use all 3 of these pieces, and I see I stack them like that, and then slide this other one over, and it looks, if I can get this right, like a triangle. And I got my 1 square corner right here. I use my 2 triangles and my square. For B, I need to use the same pieces that I just had, but this time I need to make a quadrilateral with 4 square corners. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to try to flip it around so I can match these up. And we'll see now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 square corners, and it's a 4-sided shape. Taking a look at the next one, which is C. Whoa, don't want to take the whole thing with me. A quadrilateral with no square corners. So I need 4-sided shape with no square corners on it. So I'm going to try to get a little crafty here. I got to flip these triangles around. It's a little easier with you, I think, because you have the tangrams there. But I want to make sure that I can make a 4-sided shape. And it doesn't match up perfectly, but I got 1 right there, 2, 3, and 4, and I have no square corners, so that works out great. So my last one says a quadrilateral with only 1 pair of parallel sides. And if I look back at C, I had 2. I had 1 there and 1 there. Those are parallel, and this top and this bottom is parallel. So when I get my pieces this time, I'm going to bring them down, and I'm going to try to make one with just 1 parallel, 1 set of parallel sides, or 1 pair of parallel sides. So I got to do another flip on this, and I'm going to slide this one over, and you'll see that this bottom is parallel with this top. But these two are not parallel because if we extend those lines, they're going to cross or intersect each other. So these aren't parallel, but my top and bottom ones are. So there's my 2 parallel lines right there, or parallel sides. Let's take a look over at page 2. So for number 3, it says rearrange the parallelogram and two smallest triangles of your tangram pieces to make a hexagon. Draw the new shape. So I know that a hexagon has to be 6 sides. So I'm looking for 6 sides. And I need my parallelogram. And I have 2 triangles that I need to do. So I'm going to place one here. And then I'm going to place one on top. And what we'll see there is I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's my hexagon right there. Now for 4, you're going to take your tangram pieces and you're going to make at least 6 other polygons. And you need to draw and name them below. Remembering how many sides and angles they have. And also you can get pretty precise with them. So you're trying to do 6 other polygons. So take those tangram pieces and slide them around and make the best one that you can. I'll give you one to start. If I take my square and I throw a triangle on top of that, looks almost like a house, but it's not, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what I made was a pentagon. And a pentagon has 5 sides and 5 angles. So continue on, do the best you can, and make sure that you're drawing and naming them afterwards. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and good luck on the rest of your homework.